Hey guys, Porcha here, and today I'm working with a 20-ounce skinny tumbler, and I want to create a ornament themed design. Now, what we are going to do is first sublimate the image onto the tumbler. And I thought about actually spray painting the tumbler like an ombre purple effect, but I thought sublimation would just be so much easier, and it gives us a lot of dimension in the background. We are going to follow that up with a little bit of shimmer vinyl. Now, I did create this particular design in Cricut Design Space, and I'll go ahead and put a link to the video down there in the description, and I'll pop it right above in this video. And then I want to highlight our ornaments with a little bit of bling. Don't know which colors I'm gonna use. We gotta see, you know, how I'm feeling when we get to that point. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what we got. Very nice. I'm loving all of the various tones of our purple here. I think it's gonna make an excellent background. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get our ornaments on. All right, so I am an eyeballer. So I'm going to eyeball this. I guess it really doesn't matter. I have my center. This is the back. I'm just gonna go ahead, wipe it down real good. Let's start up here. Oh no. About right there looks good. All right, y'all, this strong grip with the shimmer is of the devil. It took me forever and 7 days to get that off, but it's off and I love the results. So yeah, just in case you're wondering, this particular vinyl is the smart vinyl. It's also in the regular vinyl as well, but it is just, can you see that? Shimmer in gold, and I like it. So I did put it on a little bit crooked, but that is a-okay. All I'm gonna do is come up here and get my X-Acto knife and cut that off. But the overall effect is great. I'm loving it. So I am so happy with the choices that I made because I was a little bit nervous, y'all. All right, so because my name is Porcha and I cannot leave well enough alone, I want to come in here and just highlight the negative space in between our ornaments with a little bit of glitter. So let's go ahead and prepare for that. All right, guys, so what I want to do is fill in just the negative space here. And here, I'm gonna probably have to get a thinner brush for this. Just to add, I just want the purple to just pop in the ornaments. I actually am kind of liking it peeking through here, but nah. My original vision was to have glitter in between the lines of the ornaments, and I think I really want to stick with that because there's enough of the background peeking through everywhere else to get the general idea. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and get some glue. Let's start with the biggest spaces first, and I'm just gonna color that on in with the glue. I'll come through with this purple. It actually matches pretty well. gently press that down. All right, there's the first section. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off these areas here. All right, guys, how we looking? So I am done adding in all of my purple highlights. So the original plan was to put purple in my ornaments here, but except I went on ahead and did the bottom as well because I like glitter, y'all. I did do a line up top. I just like the way it looked. Create a little bit of a bling at the tippy top. And then I was not too happy with my back seam. I was a bit sloppy with it. It wasn't tight enough. It was too much white showing. So I went on ahead and cut out in the shimmer vinyl a strand of beads. So we got a strand of beads going down the back and it completely matches our theme. So honestly, I'm loving this cup. I was not sure about how it was gonna come out, you know, messing with stuff in between the vinyl and all that other stuff and layering, you know, gold on top of a pretty bold background. But yeah, we haven't even added the resin and I'm already feeling it. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get our epoxy ready. All right, we are spinning. And I got my resin mixed up here. I did go ahead and add in a little bit of holographic glitter because I like this layer, or I would like for this layer this time to have just a little bit more sparkle, as if I need any more, but that's just what I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this guys down. So here is the plan. We're definitely gonna need 3 coats. The way I do my coats is this first coat is the one that, you know, has the bling in it, a little bit of glitter, you know, all that good stuff, right? So we're gonna make sure it's down, you know, nice and thick and even, all that good stuff. I'm using at this point about 1/4 ounce of resin. Then I'm gonna let this spin for 6 hours. After that's all done spinning for those 6 hours, I'm gonna come through with another coat. I'm gonna let that dry for 8 hours, and then at that point I'll decide whether or not I need to sand it all down. Once I do that, I am going to do my final coat, and that's going to be the one that is super smooth and evens everything out. But you guys don't have to watch all of that, so when I come back, you guys will completely be able to see the finished product. All right, guys, I am all done, and I am really happy with the finished result on this particular tumbler. First off, one of the things that really pops out to me is this mirror shine. This resin that I used is super glossy, and I'm really pleased with it. It's DIY counterculture. I recently upgraded to this resin, and I did not know what I was missing because the gloss, the shine is so real, y'all. And I really love the tones. So like I mentioned before, I was worried about such a busy background and then placing gold right on top, but I must say it all came together and it all is working, right? The other thing is I definitely had some challenges removing the strong grip tape from the tumbler. Whoop, I almost dropped it there. But I am so glad that I did not spray paint my base, because removing the strong grip tape, if I hadn't put a coat of resin in between there, that would have been a problem. But fortunately, we didn't have to deal with that. But yeah, guys, this is all I have for you today. I just want to share with you my ornament themed holiday tumbler. If you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful, can you go ahead and give it a thumbs up? But as always, until next time, peace.